Hello P4, welcome back. I hope you're ready for today's lesson. Today we are continuing with daily routines. You'll need your pen, pencil and notebook ready before we start. So get them now and then let's get going. Okay, as I said, today we will continue with the topic of daily routines, but today we are looking at questions using daily routines if we want to ask people about their daily routines. Okay. First of all, the first question word, do. Do. So this is the question mark, do. Now, what pronouns do we use this word with? I, you, we, they. Or we can also use it with more than one. So your friends, S, more than one friend. Joe and I. Okay, one, two people. My mum and dad. Mum and dad, two people. Okay. Now, here we have the main ones. I, you, we, they. Let's have a look at an example question. So, do, the question word. We have this missing word. Catch the bus to school. So, we could have do I, do you, do we, do they catch the bus to school? What is the answer? Yes, positive. Yes. I, you, we, they do, or no. I, you, we, they don't. Okay. One more example question. What time do, question word, do I, you, we, they catch the bus to school? Answer, I, you, we, or they catch the bus to school at 7 o'clock. Okay. Now, next one, does. What pronouns do we use with the question word does? He, she, it, or we can use one person like Emma, Fred, Tom. Okay, one person. Now, he, she, and it. Let's have a look at an example question. Does he get up late? Does she get up late? Does it get up late? Yes, he, she, it does. Or no, he, she, it doesn't. What time does he get up? She get up? It get up? There it is. He, she, or it gets up at 7 o'clock. What are they doing? Okay, that is the question. This will be a game, a memory game to practice using those question words, do and does. Okay. Now, I will show you some timetables. You need to look at the timetables and remember them. Okay. Remember everything you can. What times, who, what are they doing? Then I will show you some questions and I want you to think of the answer to the questions from your memory. Okay, here are the timetables. So we have the top, Teacher Joe's day. This is my timetable, and here, Teacher Boom's day. Okay, this is what Teacher Boom does every morning. Now I will give you 30 seconds to remember everything on this page. Okay, remember both timetables. Think hard, remember everything in your head so you can answer the questions. "20 seconds left. and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember everything, last chance. Okay, now I have some questions to ask you about the timetables. Can you remember the timetable? To answer the question. Question 1. Now the first word of the question is missing. So before we can answer the question, we need to complete the question. What do you think goes here for Teacher Boom? Teacher Boom, brush her teeth. One person. What is this word? I'll give you a clue. Is do or does? What do you think? Do or does? Have a guess. 3, 2, 1. Does Teacher Boom brush her teeth? Now, do you remember the timetable? What do you think? What is the answer? 3, 2, 1. Yes, she does. Well done if you remembered correctly. Question 2. What time Teacher Joe get up? What time do or does? What do you think? 3, 2, 1. What time does Teacher Joe get up? And what is the answer? Can you remember? What time does Teacher Joe get up? He gets up at 7 o'clock. Okay, that's the answer. Well done if you remembered all of that correctly. Number 3. Now this one, Teacher Joe and Teacher Boom catch the bus. So 2 people. Do we think do or does? 3, 2, 1. Do. Do Teacher Joe and Teacher Boom catch the bus? Yes, they do. Okay. Now question 4. Teacher Joe brush his hair. Do or does? What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Does Teacher Joe brush his hair? Do you remember? Did you look at the timetable? Does Teacher Joe brush his hair? No, he doesn't. Question 5. Do or does Teacher Joe and Teacher Boom walk to school? Again, 2 people. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. Do Teacher Joe and Teacher Boom walk to school? The answer? No, they don't. No, they don't. Okay. Now, time for a quiz. So you need your pencil and your notebook as always. If you need time to get them, pause the video now. Open your notebook and write the title and the date. Title, Daily Routines with Questions. The date, Wednesday, the 20th of January, 2021. Pause the video if you want time to copy. Now, we have this red box. That means I want you to copy everything in the red box into your notebook. Now you'll need to pause the video to give yourself time. So copy all this, every word, okay? Now this is a dialogue, conversation, 2 people talking. What is the name of the first person? It is Tim. Well done. And the second person is Carl. Very good. So copy every line. Copy everything in the red box into your notebook. Okay, you can pause the video and do that now. Now, when you finish copying, I want you to read the dialogue and underline the correct words. Example, this first one. What time do you, does you do get up at the weekend? What time Do you, does you, you do get up at the weekend? Now, the answer, what time do you get up at the weekend? Okay, what time do you get up at the weekend? Okay, so you need to read this, underline. Can you see all these big, bold, black words? There are 3 in a row. Choose one and underline the correct answer. Okay, we will check the answers tomorrow. Well done for completing that. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep your answers safe, keep your notebook safe. We will check the answers tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Keep yourself busy and I'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Goodbye.